Hello and welcome to BoloForms Signature. Today in this video, we will learn how to create custom email in PDF template. To begin with, we will open PDF template, create a new template. We will select the PDF on which we want the fields and the signature. We will assign the role, add more roles as per the requirement. Once everything is set, we'll click on confirm. As you can see, our document is uploaded successfully. Now we will allocate the field as per the requirement. We can add their company name also, the fields, the name. Once everything is set, we'll click on save. Here we will fill the email address and the name. To use custom email, we will just type @ and here you can see all the fields are available so that we can add in the email and have it customized. So here I am going to select the signer name. And we can make our email body also customized. Hi @ the first name, and in place of, and if we want to have the company name, we can have that also. Let's see the preview. And this is how the person will receive their mail. Click on send via email. And this is how the person will receive the mail. Click on sign now. Start signing. Fill the fields. And after filling your field, just click on finish. This feature is very helpful when you want to have a personalized experience with the signer. It helps to provide a clear message to them and have a good communication on the both sides. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.